Chapter 12, page 116, cleanliness of clothes. We'll continue from that. When we work, play or exercise, we sweat a lot. Our clothes being close to our body absorb the sweat. Throughout the day, our clothes also absorb the dirt and dust. After all day long, clothes start smelling bad and may become favorable for germs to grow. Therefore, keeping our clothes clean becomes very important to keep us healthy. Number 1, always wear washed and clean clothes. Number 2, clothes should be washed with good quality soap or detergent and water. Number 3, do not keep dirty clothes in cupboards. Put them in washing basket or washing machine. Number 4, clean the cupboards regularly. Clean the cupboards regularly means that you have to see to the cupboard that your clothes are arranged nicely, they're hanging nicely, it's not a clutter in the cupboard. That is what it means, that clean the cupboards nicely and regularly. Number 5, clothes should be dried in the sun, because if you have seen your mothers drying the clothes when the sun is not there, they dry it in the houses sometimes during the rainy season, the clothes starts smelling very bad. Okay, so it is very important that the clothes should be dried in the sun. Number 6, our other clothes like bed sheets, curtains, sofa covers or carpets should also be cleaned regularly. So not only the clothes, but all these things, curtains, your bed sheets, your pillow covers, your sofa covers, all these also has to be cleaned. Cleanliness of food and water. We eat food and drink water to keep our body healthy and energetic. If we do not take hygienic food and clean water, we may fall sick. So we must follow certain good habits. Now, how to clean your food? That is first we will do. Wash hands before and after eating. Always keep the food covered so that the flies and insects do not sit on it. They are the carriers of germs. Do not eat fruits which have been cut for a long time. They attract germs. This I have seen many children doing outside the school gate. That fellow, he sells cucumber outside the school gate, and many children, they go out and they eat that cucumber which is already peeled and kept it on the tela. Okay, so that should not take place. You should never eat any kind of cut fruits, which is very, very harmful for you all, because they have been kept in the open and it can attract a lot of germs. Many flies might be sitting on that, and then you're going and eating that already cut fruits. So just avoid that. Food should be prepared in hygienic places and keep the kitchen utensils clean. Then about water. Drinking water should be boiled or filtered. Filtered, I know everybody must be having that filter machines which filter your water. You have those AquaGuards. All this is your machines which filter your water and give you clean and pure water. Okay, you have those steel filters also in the house which was used a long time back. They're all outdated, but still many people use those steel filters. In that also you pour water and then the water gets filtered into the next container which is at the bottom. So that also filters your water. Boiling also is used for filtration, because boiling is the best method to just kill all the germs, but it is not possible every time to boil water and drink. That is why you can use any technique. Only the thing is that your water should be clean. Store drinking water in clean and covered vessels. Do not put hands in drinking water. Regularly clean the pot, bottle or jug which is used for storing drinking water. Do not drink water which is kept stored for a long time. Now, do not put hands in drinking water. You know, if you are filling a water somewhere which is to be, you know, you are going to drink that water, don't put your hands into that water. Sometimes, you know, people have a very bad habit of, you know, holding the glasses like this. From the top, putting the fingers inside the water and holding the glass like this. So that also should not be done, because all the germs that are there in your hand will go inside the water, rather than hold a glass like this and then serve it to somebody else. Okay, so that has to be taken in mind about water. All this was about how to keep your water clean.